Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the B-T50 dual dash cam. This is a dash cam you can purchase off Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. And it's actually one of the best dash cams for the price out there. And the reason why I say that is you can see right here some of the specifications in terms of this. It has all the things you need, right? The G sensor if your car gets hit, motion detection, loop recording, audio recording, dual lens recording as well. And this is 2.5K of resolution. I like how the loop recording is either the option of 1, 3, or 5 minutes, and it has the parking monitor support as well. So that's quite nice. Another thing I like about this camera, it has USB-C. That's the newest format, and it's not micro USB, which I do appreciate. You also have a line in, so if you want to be able to allocate the audio, you have that ability. This is the front of the sensor. Go here in the back. You have the ability to also, there's the mic down there, and you can also reset it. Here's some of the buttons and functionality, including the power button, lock button. Lock button is if you do get into an accident, you want to be able to save that image, you can click on that button. Got the manual button and the OK button right there. You've got the micro SD card slot right there, which is, there's already one in there, which is quite nice. You've got the arrows here, which give you the functionality of going to the next video or whatnot. You've also got this middle button here to provide you the different functionalities and features. Overall, this is a very lightweight camera, as you can see, fairly small and pretty nice actually, not bad at all. There's also a suction cup to place this item on your window with adjustments. And you can see right here, this is for the camera in the back. So if you want to be able to record, again, this is a dual camera. So you've got the front that's recording, and also this is for the back. So that's quite nice. Now if you guys are questioning, remember the line in? Well, this is where that line in goes to. This right here goes into that line in. You can see right here, this is the it goes right into the, I guess, the power outlet or cigarette outlet in your vehicle. The nice thing is not only does this charge the dash cam, but also provides the ability to also charge devices with a USB. So if you like to charge your cell phone, you have that functionality with this, which is quite nice. Overall, this is very nice and long. So if you want to be able to have it discreet and maybe hidden in terms of the panels, you can have that ability with this very long wire, as you can see. Anyways, that's a full review of the product and what it entails. If you guys are interested, again, I'll leave the link down below in the description. Comment down below if you've tried this dash cam or another type of dash cam for your vehicle. I have reviewed other dash cams here on the channel. So if you haven't already, please feel free to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell down below, and you'll be alerted of other videos I do post on dash cams. So feel free to check out the channel for the other dash cam videos. With that said, thanks for watching. Press the like button and see you guys next time. Also, another comment, I will be doing another video of this while working in the vehicle. So feel free to subscribe so you are alerted when I do post that video. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon.